What is all that? That butt wag is going crazy. Is this dinner time? Is this dinner time? Okay, okay. You're hungry boy, huh? Okay. You got a lot to say today, huh? Okay, I got it. I got it. Alright. You gonna come in here? You're just gonna... Oh, I hear you. Okay, it's coming. Got that. Alright, come here. You're hungry, but you're a little early today, buddy. You're early by 4 minutes. Pretty close all the time. Okay, there's this. I think that Jake and I are probably gonna order a pizza tonight. Sounds delicious, right? Mm-hmm. There's that. And then get broth. Watch out. Alright. There you go, man. You enjoy that. I love you, man.